Hey y'all, what's going on? Just wanted to throw some up on the bench real quick. This is a very limited, super limited edition chrome gold face, no market Grand DX. No, it's a parts radio. I hate to say it, but it's been torn apart. Heatsink was already donated. I got to get that off because a lot of those new radios, uh, yeah, need a better power jack, and they don't come with that little adapter anyway. But yeah, I've already pulled the driver out. I needed that for something else. Pulled the slug out for that. Needed something else. It is a shame with this radio that it has come to this for this beautiful Grant DX. I don't even have the well, the serial's on the side here. 02103, but I don't think it was the exact same on the back here. I don't know, but yeah, this is not up on the bench. And yeah, you can dislocate the you can make a remote version of the radio, I guess. I don't know. But hey, I just want to throw something up on the channel. Just a little comic relief. I do appreciate Radio Garage. Good tech that I appreciate tremendously. And yeah, he appreciated the humor on my DX 4800 video. Wonderful radio. I love it very, very much. But yeah, some radios you can't repair. I have two of these Grants. One of them is the blackface. But yeah, a lot of these parts you can't get anymore, and it's stuck in that kind of repair. When I got it, it just... You can't get these parts anymore. So I pulled out a couple of these other stuffs before, but you can see that glue is just really tearing it up. And then down here in the corner, you'll see one of the jumpers here is just globbed in it and just destroyed by it. But yeah, this one was bad when I got it, and I kept it around for a very long time. But yeah, slowly pulling the parts out of it. So yeah, this is not any kind of repair, just a silly little video. Just kind of put some up on the channel, and I'll get some more stuff going. I got a ton of the cap repairs. I have to do the 90 or the actually that 4800 DXL video. Got to do the caps on that, get that up to snuff. I am actually starting to get rid of a ton of radios. I don't need them anymore. I just want to give, you know, the good radios a really good chance, and then a lot of these will probably end up like this. If I can't repair them, you know, I'll send them up on eBay as a parts repair radio. Good for parts too, just like I did to this one. I mean, yeah, it's unfortunate, but it was at that stage regardless. A lot of these parts you can't get anymore. You can't even get this this back coil, the what is it, 0.23 UF adjustable coil. You can't get it at Barkett. So I get a lot of stuff from them, and it's crazy how it works. But in any regard, yeah, some of these radios just end up as the way they are, and it's unfortunate. I hate to tear something this beautiful apart, but yeah, I do have two of the other ones. One is blackface, one is the original chrome face. And in any regard, just want to say, hey, thank you to all subscribers. I do appreciate y'all and thinking about y'all, and I'll get some good content up to show my appreciation and thumbs up on all my videos and all the watching I get. And I do appreciate it on all my videos. It's fun to play with CB radios, man. It's not like it used to be, where everyone you kind of saw the antenna on the back of their Trans Am or whatever growing up in the 80s and stuff like that, like I did. Man, oh man, you just say, hey man, what's your channel? Would you know, now you don't have any of that stuff. And yeah, the radios you get are in disrepair now on eBay and all those other channels that you can get used radios, just because they haven't been used a lot, and a lot of these things have been destroyed, or they were peaked and tuned way back before. Don't clip the limiter and all that stuff like that. Don't overblow the finals. Now you can't get these. That was the 2312, and these are two of the are these still I think they're the yeah, I think I have the 1969 2312s dual final on this. But I mean, I don't know what's good in this when I got it anyway, so I take everything off and repair. But yeah, some parts you just can't get anywhere else. But in regard, I'll talk to you all soon in the next video. I'll get something kind of fun up on the channel very soon. I do appreciate you all as well. I've come up, I think, over 320 subscribers. My goodness, I do appreciate you. I'm just messing around here, doing this stuff way back when I had nothing else to do, going through a storage unit during the 2020, and yeah, ended up making a YouTube channel out of the deal. But I didn't expect anyone to ever subscribe or like, or man, the kind of people that I have attracted to the channel are some really cool people. So anyway, gonna get back to tearing a couple more parts out of this and cleaning up the bench a bit, little by little. And oh yeah, I got diaper wipes over there. They work amazingly well to take your heat sink grease off of your hands. Work really well. Everyone always laughs. I got a ton of them around. That's the reason they work so amazing. And they actually can clean up some faceplates on radios if radios have faceplates in them. But in regard, I do appreciate you all, and yeah, I'll get some good stuff on the channel. I always think about the channel. It's all I kind of think about sometimes. I wake up and hey man, what can I share with somebody that would appreciate watching it? So seems over 320 y'all subscribe, so I do appreciate all the views and the likes and the comments and the emails. Keep them up, and yeah, CB Radio's alive and well. I only have been dealing with CBs for quite some time, just because I got stuck into it during 2020. But yeah, it's definitely the radio bug has definitely hit me. But I also do some other videos if I eventually get to doing that stuff too. Stuck in so many radios for weekends on end, hardly even talk on it sometimes. So, but in any regard, thank you again. As I've said 4,000 times, anytime I said in regard, take a drink, and yeah, enjoy your Super Bowl.